If you're in mental health nursing class, here's 7 tips for success. If you're new here, hi, I'm Dr. Meredith Watkins. I'm a nursing professor who offers tips and tricks on nursing school success, and I also happen to teach mental health nursing at my university. First tip goes for all of your nursing classes, and that is to break it down. Don't cram your studying. Cramming only helps move information into your short-term memory, and you need to move this into your long-term memory so that you can take your exit exam from your mental health class, from your program, and then be ready for the NCLEX. Second thing is to know your disorders as groupings. Group similar disorders, like know all of your mood disorders together versus anxiety disorders. Next one is to think like a nurse. This means don't just focus on memorizing knowledge, but really know how to apply it as a nurse. So focus on priority nursing interventions. Safety is often key, and not just definitions. Mnemonics can always help you in any nursing course, and mental health is no different. So SIG-E CAPS is a good way to remember the different signs and symptoms of depression. And if you don't have a mnemonic for a specific thing you're trying to memorize, ChatGPT will always be able to give you some mnemonic to memorize. Next one is to role play scenarios for therapeutic communication. It's a lot easier to remember what is therapeutic versus what is not therapeutic if you're practicing it out loud with a partner. Keep in mind, therapeutic communication techniques are very specific to NCLEX, and sometimes they feel strange. Sometimes what sounds like it should be therapeutic is judgmental. And so remember that we are talking pure NCLEX style therapeutic communication. So get a worksheet online on what is therapeutic versus non-therapeutic communication and work through those. Next one is to practice NCLEX style questions. So you need to have the knowledge of mental health nursing plus clinical judgment plus practice makes better. The more you practice mental health questions and then read the rationales on the one you missed will help you improve on your tests. And finally, we can only help care for other people's mental health when we're caring for our own. So practice what you preach by making sure that you're taking breaks, hydrating and resting, and practicing self-care. And don't forget to follow up with your instructor's office hours. Reaching out to your instructor is always the first step if you're struggling in a class. Approximately 25% of Americans suffer